Hello? 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 Hi friends, I'm Anne and welcome to Chronically Beautiful, where we're trying to live our best life even though we probably don't feel like it. It has been a minute. It's been a lot of minutes. It's been a lot this year so far. So I'm just really excited to be back at creating content, and thank you all so much for sticking with me and for coming and watching this video. So today is going to be just a really quick unboxing video. A company sent me this item. It is the Haoworks Original Voice Amplifier. So if you have thought about getting this, the S208 Portable Voice Amplifier, you're wondering what it comes with and all that, this video is for you. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoy my content, I would love for you to hit like, thumbs up, share it with your friends, all that good stuff. And if you want to be notified of all my future videos, don't forget to ring that bell so you know what's happening over here at Chronically Beautiful. All right, let's dive right in. I am a teacher, as I'm sure you know, maybe not, maybe you don't know, but I'm a teacher. I'm a high school band director, choir director. I teach guitar class, I've taught dance class, I do all the things. So I'm a high school music teacher. I love it. I am in my 21st year of doing this job. It is absolutely amazing. And so this might be something that you may be interested in for your classroom, and it is a mini amplifying system. Now, as a band director who teaches marching band and someone who has worked as a music teacher, I have worked with many, many sound systems over the years, and many very expensive sound systems over the years. This one, you can get it on Amazon. I will link it below. I think it's about 30 bucks. So this is one that is just a smaller little item that you might use just in a small classroom setting. I have a very loud voice naturally, so I don't know that I would reach for an item like this, but we're going to go through what we've got here. So it says, make your voice be heard without overstressing your vocal cords. Loud and clear, lightweight, long-lasting battery, as my grandma would say. Portable voice amplifier, and they show this fellow wearing it in a very stylish fashion here on the side. Compact, portable, and powerful wired headset microphone. Ooh, I could be like Britney Spears. Oops, I did it again. You played with my heart. Professional amplifier, projects your voice, adjustable strap, and belt clip. Nothing says sassy like a belt clip amplifier.
Oh, hi, Mrs. Dittmeyer. I'm here to see Eric.
Oh, hi, Greggy. Oh, Greg.
MP3 digital audio file playback compatibility. That is cool. Connect and stream audio from an external device. So it comes with microphone, recording, USB support, and aux support, and after sale service from Haoworks. It has 10-watt power output. Charging voltage is a DC charger, 5 volt, 1 amp. Lithium battery, 6 to 8 hours on one charge. 3 hours to get a full charge, and away we go. So let's open this puppy up and see what is inside. Okay, the first thing we have here is the headset microphone. And like I said, I've worked with a lot of different sound systems. This seems to be pretty standard. Now, a lot of these you can like wear it on your head. And this is adjustable. I like to just let it sit around my neck for a setting like this, but you can wear it on your head also. So it's got this adjustable bit right here that you can kind of turn and put anywhere you want. And then pop, 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 there we go. And then it is a wired mic, which, okay. And it has just an aux cord thing in there. The next item we have is the user manual, and we'll hop back to that later. And then we have the device itself. It reminds me, if you're as old as me, you remember the Walkman. This definitely reminds me of a Walkman.
You really feel the music. You really feel it. You really feel the music.
Right down to the plastic belt clip on the back. It's got a couple little loops here, which I assume is for the strap. We've got a USB port, a USB-C charging port, on and off volume. Again, very reminiscent of the Walkman. And then we've got all of our controls here. Is this an actual Walkman? Along the top. So we've got our controls, all of that. No battery pack, no tape recorder, so not exactly a Walkman. So this is the device. It's very small. It's about the size of my hand, a little bigger than like a bar of soap or deck of cards. Pretty small little guy. Oh, here is the strap. It comes with our little handy dandy strap, which you can wear around our belt or our neck. I'm gonna just pop this bad boy on right now. I'm gonna use the little, I like the strap, that's handy. I'm a hands-free kind of gal, so I can see myself walking around with this thing. Get on there, you bugger. Okay, and then we have just a double-sided aux cord. So I imagine that's if we want to like play this through a speaker. And then the charging cord, USB-C charging cord. So that is everything that is in the box here. We've got a full manual. It's got illustrations that show us everything, right down to how to charge it. I think most of us can handle that. How to charge the speaker, I think we got that. It looks like we've got a lot of different options. The voice amplifier, the Bluetooth speaker, the USB driver playing mode. You can insert your flash disk, your jump drive into the USB, and the amplifier will automatically play the audio. You press the forward and back keys to choose the previous or next song. So if you had a bunch of music on a USB drive, you can use this to listen to it. This might be something that would be good for somebody who is not super up on modern audio technology. Like maybe they're just not comfortable with getting into really advanced things and they just want something a little more simple. This seems to be pretty easy, user-friendly kind of a thing. You can also record into the device. So you can use it to amplify or you can record into the device using and save it on a USB on a flash drive and then take it out, stick it in your computer and listen to it later, or you can take things off your computer and put it on here and listen to it through here. You can also record right onto it and you can play through here as well as amplify. We'll just do a small little example here in the craft room and see. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. So here, we're just doing a little mini example. Here we go. I'm talking into the mic. I'm going to take off this little fuzzy thing. Sometimes that helps. Hello. So speaking into the mic, you can see that we are getting some sound. My voice is naturally very loud, but maybe if it weren't, this might be helpful. I'm not getting into a review of this item. I was only asked to do an unboxing. So that is the Haoworks original voice amplifier. If you're interested in seeing it in action or would like more information on it, just reach out and I'd be happy to give you my feedback. So that is the unboxing of the Haoworks original voice amplifier, the S208. Haoworks original voice amplifier. Thanks so much for going on this adventure with me. Keep coming back. Take care of you. And remember, you deserve to live your best life. Bye. I have to turn that. That's enough. I'm being silly now. I must turn this off. Everything I do is from the diaphragm. Thanks for coming. Have I never done this before? Oops, I did it again. You played with my heart. Oh, okay.